I can't wait to open this. Let's do this.
Love is your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci body Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. If my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. It's your favorite girl, so Ria. Guys, the day is here finally, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. Anyways guys, I got myself a camera. This is my first camera. I've never had a camera before, and I didn't just get any camera, guys. I got the Sony ZV1 Mark II. I can't really wait to unbox this so we can all see. You can see how excited I am. I'm literally smiling from ear to ear or nose to nose. If you're thinking of stepping up your content game or you just love a good unboxing, guys, stay tuned because this video is going to be fun. And if you're new to my page, you stopped by, thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube journey. I really appreciate it. Guys, let's dive into this video. Spoiler alert, guys, I saw reviews that this camera is good for YouTubers, it's good for vloggers. So if you love to shoot videos indoor, outdoor, it's just good for us. It's got a compact design and also got features that's gonna blow your mind, and I can't wait for my mind to be blown, guys. Let's dive into this unboxing together. I've got my scissors here. I can't wait to open this. Let's do this. Honestly, yeah, it's very lightweighted, so you know the camera doesn't have weight. It's so light. Oh. Okay, what do we have here? Oh. First up, guys, let's appreciate this packaging. It's clean, it's compact, it's very sturdy, and it's just simple, just white and black box. It's so cute. Okay, the first thing you see when you open this box is the manual. Honestly, I'm not gonna read this. I could just flip through it, but I wouldn't read it. Then they've got loads of manuals. 1, 2, 3. It's a whole lot of this. And when you just pop here on, open. We've got the camera. I can't wait to open this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's very portable and I love it already. You guys are gonna see it before me. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love the design. I love that it's lightweighted. Oh, it's so cute. I own a camera now, guys. I do. So this is the start of the show. It's so lightweighted. It's so sleek. It just creates portability. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna name this camera, or should I name it I'm thinking, guys, calm down. I'm thinking. So we're gonna name this camera towards the end of this unboxing. I've got this mic stuff, and I saw reviews that it's good for outdoor shooting. It just gives you that clarity and makes your voice stand out even when you're in a windy environment. Then lastly, guys, we have the battery. Guys, we've got the camera at the start of the show. Okay, so we have the mic, windscreen, and lastly the battery. Am I pleased with this packaging? I'm gonna rate this a 7 because where is the USB-C cord? How am I going to charge it? You know, so this packaging is just like Apple packaging where they send you the phone, adjust the cord, and that's it. Where is the cord? How can I charge my battery? Anyways, guys, I'm so pleased with this purchase. It's my first purchase, like I previously stated. The key feature about this baby girl is the widescreen. I saw good reviews about it. I got the ZV1 Mark II. So I did reviews on the camera to get. I just wanted to get Sony camera because I've always wanted to buy a Sony camera, but I'm so happy and grateful that I could purchase one now. So I wanted to get the ZV1, but I saw that it didn't have like a wide lens range, if I'm saying that correctly. So so I got this. It's got a wider lens range, and I love the fact that you can switch the screen, like you can turn it backwards, like it's flexible. So when I started shooting, or when I started YouTubing, I started with an iPhone 11 and I moved to a 14 Pro Max before it got stolen, and I'm using a 16 Pro currently shooting this video. 16 Pro Max currently shooting this video at the moment. So I've always wanted to use my back camera to shoot, but I love to see my face when I'm shooting so I can see how I look. You know, this camera is just so suitable for me because I can film using the back camera and switch the screen, you see, and I'm still gonna see how I look. So this is so compact, it's so beautiful, and also I feel I know it's going to be user friendly. Like I could set it up properly. I'm going to watch videos on YouTube on how to set this my baby. Guys, we're going to name her towards the end of this video. And I also saw reviews about the battery. This battery doesn't last. So I got other accessories, which I'm going to do another video on. One thing I love about this baby girl is the fact that I could travel with this. I could just pop it into my bag. It's not big, it's portable, it fits in any bag. Like even a small purse, it could fit in the pot. So I really love this. It's so beautiful. Then I love the fact that it's also got this built-in microphone, and it comes with this. I saw good reviews about this. I'm sure I'm gonna fix it like this.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding?
30.
I'm not doing it correctly, but I'm going to sort that out eventually. I'm so grateful to God that I finally placed my hand on this camera. I've had a long time of wanting something nice for myself, and should I call this a Christmas gift from me to me? So I'm so happy I got myself these, and I can't wait to shoot better content or create better content. I have no excuse anymore. Sony basically made these cameras for YouTubers or content creators, and it's just the best thing. I love it, and I can't wait to explore this camera. I spent weeks of researching before I decided to get myself a Sony ZV1 Mark II. I'm still getting used to the name, guys. Before deciding to get this, I wouldn't really say this is budget friendly, considering the fact that I haven't got a camera before. This is my first camera. I just love the features. Number one, it's got amazing features, and also you can actually focus the products or whatever you want to show to the camera. For example, iPhone would never focus this, you know, but this camera actually focuses an item, then blurs out your face a bit, then when you take off the item, you come back normally. So I can't really wait to experience those features. I wanted something that was going to make my videos look professional. I wanted something that's going to make my videos look very crispy, you know. And I just wanted to invest in myself basically, because I always wanted to get a camera, and this was actually the perfect time to get myself one. And I'm super proud of myself for purchasing this product, and I really love it so much. Guys, I think I should name this Crystal. That seems so cute. Or should I call her Baby Toria? Okay, Crystal. I think Crystal is so cute. Anyways, guys, my new camera is called Crystal. And the Crystal is spelled with a K, not a C. So we have Baby Crystal. Thank you. Getting this camera, I didn't just get only the camera. I got a camera bag. I'm gonna show you guys. It's somewhere here. So I got this cute bag for my camera. It's got a baby bag inside. So basically, yeah, this is gonna be for my camera. It's gonna fit in. Let's try, guys. Let's try it. Hi, Crystal. This is your bed. I'm so hyped about this purchase. This is so beautiful. So this fits in. Then it's got a bigger bag. So my accessories are going to go into this bag. So I got so many accessories that I'm gonna unbox and show to you guys because I haven't received them yet. I'm already so hyped to start using this camera, and I know it's going to take my content creation to the next level. I can't just wait to set it up, see how it works, because I haven't used a camera before. Yeah, I haven't. So I can't wait to try out this camera. And guys, if you're a content creator, what camera do you use? Have you ever used, or do you have the Mark ZV1? No. Sony ZV1 Mark II. Yeah, do you have this camera? How does it work for you? Do you love it? Is there any special setup that you want to share with me so I could actually do mine as well? So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting this YouTube journey. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment. You can actually share as well, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.
It's your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly.